For years, advanced artificial intelligence has been locked away in monolithic data centers. High-level computing was a service you rented from cloud giants, while your personal devices acted as passive terminals for their power. This model is built on a transactional loop. Every request you make travels miles across the web to a server cluster and back, creating a constant bottleneck of latency. But the system is hitting a limit as we move toward always-on autonomous agents. These agents don't wait for a prompt. They actively monitor your screen, manage security, and coordinate software pipelines in the background. They require a constant, high-bandwidth connection to your data. If millions of computers ran these autonomous agents through the cloud simultaneously, the global internet fabric would buckle under the data load. Centralized processing also presents a massive economic and privacy hurdle. Data center operating costs would reach unsustainable levels, and keeping your sensitive data on a third-party server creates a permanent security risk. Running autonomous agents requires an architectural density that current cloud-dependent laptops cannot provide. Moving computing power to the edge is the only way to make this technology viable. At Computex 2026, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang introduced the hardware designed to break the cloud's monopoly. He unveiled a RTX Spark PC chip and the Vera CPU. These are the first processors engineered specifically to handle complex reasoning and scheduling logic locally on a personal machine. By utilizing a unified memory architecture, these chips achieve a density that allows for up to 1 petaflop of AI performance. This represents a massive technological compression. We're seeing data center class power folded down into a standard desktop footprint. This shift allows a 200 billion parameter AI model to run directly where the data is stored. Every calculation and every response remains on the device. Analysts compare this hardware rewrite to the launch of the iPhone, a moment that changes how we interact with technology on a daily basis. Nvidia is re-engineering the PC as an engine purpose-built for high-parameter AI models. Moving inference to the edge changes the user experience immediately by removing the cloud as a middleman. Latency effectively disappears. Real-time copilots for coding, video editing, and design can respond to your actions instantly without waiting for a round trip to a server. This provides a massive leap for privacy. Sensitive files, medical records, and biometrics stay on your machine, allowing enterprises to maintain strict compliance while using advanced AI. It also changes the economics of computing. Users and businesses can move away from recurring cloud API fees and instead own their processing power outright. Edge intelligence shifts the balance of power. It gives you direct ownership of your data and the localized workforce that manages it. This move highlights Nvidia's strategy of vertical integration. They aren't just selling components, they are positioning themselves to own every layer of the AI ecosystem. By controlling both the data centers used for training and the laptops used for execution, Nvidia can bypass the traditional cloud giants that previously dominated the market. This expansion into the $200 billion PC market has caused immediate pressure on legacy chipmakers. As Nvidia moves into the client CPU space, traditional manufacturers' market share is under threat. Meanwhile, Microsoft has solidified its position through a multi-year collaboration with Nvidia, aiming to reinvent the Windows environment for this localized, agent-driven hardware. The reliance on cloud-tethered hardware is hitting a wall. Your next computer is a private supercomputer designed to host a team of autonomous agents locally, privately, and at full speed.